Oh, that depends upon your age. If you are young, then studying Tibetan language is very, very important, because then you don't have to, just as I said, you need to study from a qualified teacher. So similarly, if you're able to go to the root source, the language itself, then you will be able to understand it much better than using an equivalent, modern term or modern language. So that will be very important. But if your age is a little bit not too young, then maybe, luckily these days even translations, many good translations are available. So maybe instead of wasting time, I think you should go directly to studying those teachings from whatever language it is available. Yeah.